other way you can attach the Driveaway to the van is by using a Driveaway kit. Driveaway kit consists of Kador strip with either a 6 to 6mm bead or a 6 to 4mm bead, depending whether you've got a Fiamma, Omnistor or a kit like we've got here. So I'm using a 6 to 6 bead. You need then a figure of 8. What you then do is you feed the Kador strip through the channel here, and then what you need to do is then feed the figure of 8 into here, and then the cowl of the Driveaway is then fed through the figure of 8, like so, and then you just feed that along, feed this along, and that secures the cowl to your van, and then just feed it along, and that is your Driveaway attached to your vehicle using the Driveaway kit.